Hey everybody, we're back in SketchUp-Free. Today is Friday, May 8th. This is where you'll be turning in your bedroom project. So I just wanted to show you guys what the last step is. So here is the 3D version of this bedroom. You can see everything is colored in. You can see there's windows, floors, all the doors are done, right? Choosing the best angle. Like this is a pretty cool angle to see the outside. You can see there's a closet. You can see there's a door here, dresser, bed, nightstand. So this is probably the angle I would choose when I submit it. But the final stage is to remodel your bedroom and to make it more green. I gave you 3 examples. One example was to change the floor to bamboo wood, which is a really sustainable wood that grows very quickly. Another one was to add more natural light by adding windows. And last one was to add plants to give better air quality in the room. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a window. Now, common sense would tell you you can only add windows on exterior walls. So this is an exterior wall. You can see by the wood-clad sides here. You can see here this is an exterior wall. So these are both my options for adding windows. I can't add windows to interior walls because then I'd just be looking into a hallway, which would be strange. So I'm just going to really quick show you guys how I would add a window, additional window. So here I'm going to pick an exterior wall. All right. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see this. I'm going to go to rectangle tool and I'm just going to estimate here. I want to do a kind of a skinny window horizontally and we'll put it here. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my offset to make a small frame around it. Okay, and I'm going to use that frame to help me make the window on the inside. So I'm going to go again here. I'm going to go push pull, and I'm purposely going to push pull. I'm going to push this so it sticks out hopefully into the wall on the other side. Okay, so let's rotate so you guys can see that. And you can see how much that's sticking out there, right? So I'm going to zoom out a little bit and then zoom back. Okay, so that's sticking out way too much, but that's okay. So now I go on the little window frame and now I kind of push back a little bit and get close to the wall as possible, like that. Now I can go ahead and draw another rectangle using this as my guide on the inside of this frame. Okay. Now I can go to materials, which is here. I'm going to go to window coverings for the indoor, choose some blinds, and there are some blinds for there, right? I can do a little wood border if I want to stay with like this color wood, that I have there. I mean, this is pretty close, right? So I kind of match the bed frame a little bit, right? And there's my skinny indoor window right there. I'm going to zoom out. We'll go to the outer window, which we started, all right? A little frame there. And then I'm going to go right back to, let's see, glass and mirrors. Let's do an outdoor like we did with the other window. And now you have the appearance of a new window on an exterior wall, and then the window showing up on the inside. Okay, so that's how I would add a window to a wall that is already 3D. The next changes are pretty simple, right? If I want to make my floor bamboo, one of these is bamboo. Let's find it. This one is wood floor lights. This one, let's see. Yeah, wood bamboo. Okay, so that's the upper left wood selection. So I can go ahead and now my floors are made of bamboo. right? Which gives it a more sustainable wood choice. Okay. And then lastly, if I want to do the third green option, I can go ahead and close out of materials. Let's go to components. 3D warehouse. I'm going to say 3D indoor plant. Let's see what happens. Okay. So plant pots, large leaf. We'll try to find one that's not too big, hopefully. This guy looks pretty big. Let's go to the next page just to see. Okay. Now this one doesn't look too big. Let's try and see what this looks like. Okay. So there it is. I'm just going to put it right on the nightstand. I'm going to try to at least. Rotate so we can kind of see that. Right? And if I want to, we'll do it again. And we'll put it on the other side. So we have these two kind of large plants in the bedroom on the end tables. I'll zoom in a little bit so I can see this a little better. Right there. Okay, rotate. Right, I mean, it's kind of peeking through the walls a little bit, but we're just kind of figuring it out. So you can see now I've made 3 changes. You guys are only required to make 2 changes to your room to make it more green. I mean, if you want to go ahead and make 3, that's fine. But on the rubric, you're required to make only 2. So if I had this angle that I had before of my original bedroom, then I can see when I take a screen capture or screenshot of the remodeled bedroom, it should be pretty obvious to me as your teacher that I can see the floors changed, I can see there's a new window, and I can see there's a big plant. So I can see 3 changes made to your original design. And all 3 of those changes made the room more green. So that is the final stage of your project, all right, is to make your room more green by doing some simple remodeling. Again, you're only required to do 2 changes. I did all 3. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys. If you have any questions, you can see me during my live office hours from 10 a.m. to 10:45. All right, I'm going to click save up here so I don't lose my work. Okay, and again, you take a screenshot, and this will be the 4th image to include in today's assigned project. All right, guys, good luck, and we'll talk soon.